Ang isang technique dyan, makanitive, as you are raising chicken and you want to attain na yung marketable weight at a certain date of breeding, na sabihin natin, gusto po namin, Dok, na makuha siya in just a matter of 70 days. Ang gawin niyo, makanitive, it would take time. Pero alam ko, kaya niyo, pinakasimple technique. Ang gawin po niyo, lahat ng manok na ang bigat at 70 days is about 850 to 900 grams. Yan ang gamitin po ninyo na breeder stocks. Gawin nyo yan every time na magparami kayo ng manok. Yung pinili ninyo na paitlogin niya, papisain nyo, and then yung sisiyo niya, when it reaches about 70 to 75 days, ganun yung bigat niya, yan ang gamitin nyo for breeding